provide your child with an enriching environment that prioritizes their development and learning. Welcome to Central Christian Academy. We provide full and part-time childcare and preschool for children ages 6 weeks to 5th grade. Our center is designed to minister to children through quality early childhood education while nurturing Christian values and equipping children with skills socially, physically, academically, and spiritually. Explore what we have to offer: hands-on learning, advanced curriculum, high-security facility, large playgrounds, developmental evals and therapy, field trips, and parental involvement. Offering a loving, structured, and safe atmosphere, Central Christian Academy will encourage and empower families through faith, academics, and child-centered learning. Looking for a nurturing, educational, and fun childcare center? Your search ends here. Join us to give your child the best start in life. For more information, visit our website at www.centralchristianacademy.org.